Hey everyone, welcome back to Traveling Doc. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss deals like this one. If you're trying to start a WordPress site in 2026, I've got a Bluehost coupon that'll knock a solid chunk off your plan. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Right now, using my link in the description gets you a discounted rate on your first term with Bluehost, on top of the pricing they already advertise. It's applied automatically when you go through the link, so there's no separate code to type in and mess up. Here's exactly how to use it. Click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Bluehost's site with the discount already reflected. Pick your plan, and the discounted price shows up automatically at checkout. No manual code entry needed. Just make sure you're clicking through the link and not searching for Bluehost separately, or you might not see the discount applied. With the discount applied, the entry-level basic plan comes out to a genuinely low monthly cost and already includes a free domain for the first year and free SSL. Step up to Plus or Choice Plus, and you get unlimited websites plus daily backups. The longer term you pick, the lower your effective monthly price. Just remember to check the renewal price shown before you check out, since that's standard across every host, not just Bluehost. Beyond the discount, you're getting a host that's officially recommended by WordPress.org, a guided one-click WordPress install so you're not setting anything up manually, free SSL, and 24/7 support through live chat and phone if you get stuck. If you're building on WordPress specifically, this combination is hard to beat for the price. Quick honesty check, $3 pros, real discount, WordPress optimized hosting, solid support. Con, like every host, the renewal price after your first term goes up, so this coupon is best if you're comfortable committing to a longer initial term to lock in the savings. If you want to lock in this Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. It applies automatically and helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Like this video, share it with someone starting a website, and subscribe with the bell on so you catch the next deal. Drop a comment letting me know if the coupon worked for you. Thanks for watching Traveling Doc. Catch you in the next one.